India put on yet another splendid performance in the UAE when they defeated New Zealand by 44 runs in the Champions Trophy group stage match. With this victory, India not only topped the Group A of the Champions Trophy but has also won 3 games on the trot and remained the only team in the year's tournament to have a 100% track record so far. Varun Chakravarti's 5-wicket haul ensured India defended a below-par total of 249 and a billion Indians celebrated as the men in blue stormed into the semi-final and set the stage for a fiery face-off with Australia. Now, with the focus being on the celebration, and that's where it should have been, on India's domination in the Champions Trophy, unfortunately, that does not appear to be the case for some of the politicians back home. In fact, it appears for the Congress party, they are more concerned with the captain Rohit Sharma's weight. Believe it or not, that was an actual comment that came in from a Congress leader. Not on the team's performance, not on a stellar career that Rohit Sharma has had, but on Rohit Sharma's weight despite the performance that he has put up. In fact, Rohit Sharma became the soft target for the Congress leader. While Rohit led India to 3 state victories in the ongoing Champions Trophy, he led India to victory in the T20 World Cup last year and almost secured the Cricket World Cup for India back in 2023. But for the Congress party, Rohit Sharma is the most unimpressive captain India has ever had. Rohit Sharma is fat for a sports person and needs to lose weight. This is what, believe it or not, the Congress party has said, the Congress leader has said. So while on one hand the entire country was celebrating the entire team and the phenomenal victory, look at what the Congress party said. A Congress leader, Shama Mohammed, prominent part of the Congress party, had tagged Rohit Sharma, and this is the comment that she made, body shaming him and saying he is fat for a sportsman, needs to lose weight, and of course the most unimpressive captain that India has ever had. This was the tweet that came in from her at 7:52 p.m. She took to social media to slam Rohit Sharma, believe it or not. This is from her social media account. In fact, we have breaking updates now coming in after the Congress party's big insult to Rohit Sharma, openly mocking Rohit Sharma in such an unacceptable way, calling him fat and unimpressive. Shama Mohammed going on to say he's the most unimpressive captain we've ever seen and he needs to lose weight. These are the kind of words being used by the Congress leader. So, for a nation like ours that lives and breathes cricket, Rohit Sharma is not just any cricketer. Being the captain of the Indian cricket team, he represents a dream and a role model for many of India's next generation. So let's get you the details that have been mentioned by Shama Mohammed. Believe it or not, we just showed you the tweet as well that was put out. That was an actual tweet, actual social media post that has been put out by the Congress leader, and till now there has been no clarification whatsoever that has come in from her or from any of the Congress leaders coming out to say that this is unacceptable. You can't use such words. Don't say such things about Team India. Look at the statements that she has made. Rohit Sharma is fat for a sportsman. Shama Mohammed giving out these certificates saying he is fat for a sports person, body shaming him saying needs to lose weight. Apart from that, also dragging him down at a time when Team India is performing phenomenally. And look at what she goes on to say, is the most unimpressive captain that India has ever had. Now, there's no problem with criticism for the way Rohit Sharma played or for any of his matches or his captaincy. But look at the kind of words that are being used. Do you think that it is acceptable? We spoke to some of the cricket fans on what they think of the Congress party's insult. Listen in.
I think, first of all, politics and sports should be kept aside. All sports persons and athletes should be treated differently. And body shaming is not right. A World Cup winning captain like Rohit Sharma, who is self-made, doesn't deserve this. अगर उनको इतना प्रॉब्लम है, जो कांग्रेस लीडर है, राइट, वो अगर कांग्रेस में नेपोटिज्म पे वो थ्राइव करता है कांग्रेस बेसिकली, अगर उनका लीडर राहुल गांधी उनके पार्टी में कुछ कर नहीं सकता तो कैसे एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि रोहित शर्मा पे सब ब्लेम डाल के पूरा वर्ल्ड का प्रेशर, मतलब इंडिया का प्रेशर उस पर डाल के वो बॉडी शेम करे. So that's not right. I don't think that's right.
Sports and politics are both different arenas. So first of all, she shouldn't interfere between sports and politics, because if Rohit Sharma tweets in politics, something about politics, there will be a huge issue. So अगर उसको इससे फैट शेम कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है, तो अगर उसका जब भी प्ले अच्छा था तभी उसको कुछ कोई बोल नहीं रहा था, पर 1-2 मैच के लिए कुछ ये हो गया तो उस पर बॉडी शेम करने लगे। पर वेट का कुछ फर्क ही नहीं है स्पोर्ट्स में, अगर उसका गेम अच्छा है तो फिर वेट का कुछ इशू ही नहीं आ रहा है। और रही बात कि पॉलिटिक्स क्रिकेट में इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है तो उसकी कुछ ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी।
See, I don't think that I think she should delete the tweet because now the results are out and we have bowled out New Zealand. And Rohit Sharma, she can't body shame Rohit Sharma because we have won so many cups under Rohit Sharma. So she should really delete the tweet.
Body shaming anyone is wrong and unacceptable. A captain who has brought glory to India being shamed because of the politics around it. How shameful. Let's open this up. My colleagues are joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, Adib, Varshini, Govind as well as Shweta are joining us on the broadcast. And they're all at cricket grounds. Let me first go across to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, there's outrage. And you know, one of the fans also spoke about the same. If a cricketer even makes one statement, even if it is praising the country, it is seen as politics, saying, oh, he is this or he is that. How are politicians making these statements? Body shaming Rohit Sharma and making these statements against him. Absolutely unacceptable.
Well, that's right. Body shaming is absolutely unacceptable. Constructive criticism is all right. You can criticize Rohit Sharma on his form, but body shaming a captain of an Indian cricket team who's representing the nation at an international platform is absolutely not right. We'll straight away speak to what the common people think about it. Captain Rohit Sharma, who's representing the country in Champions Trophy. Congress leader Shama Mohammed says that Rohit Sharma is fat, is the most unimpressive captain of all time. See, criticism is fine, but body shaming is not all right.
Right. So I think the same that criticizing his body is not a right thing because there are good and bad times. So at some point of time he really impressed the whole country by his performance, as well as he was leading a team in 2023 and under his captaincy Indian team won the World Cup. So at that time nobody criticized his body, but all the bad times people criticize his body, like he's becoming fat. But I think criticizing body is not a good thing. It's all about strategy and it's all about the good times and bad times. So I think people did the bad thing by body shaming him.
Well, that's right. Not the general public thinks that body shaming is absolutely not right. Criticism is fine, but body shaming is absolutely not right, is what the people of the national capital says.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, in fact, you know, it goes beyond just body shaming, isn't it? It's about the idea of India, something that the Congress party speaks about time and again. And this comes at a time when India was celebrating. The team has had a phenomenal score. They've played really well in the Champions Trophy, Adib. And you know, how are people viewing these statements? Because as of now, there's been no apology, no statements of condemnation even coming in from the Congress party. Why should a Shama Mohammed or any Congress leader come out to say that this is a player who needs to lose weight? This is somebody who has had several double tons to his name.
Well, definitely, Pratibha, she's not just raising questions on weight, but she's also calling Rohit Sharma as he's not the perfect captain. In fact, the Congress party and the Congress leader is forgetting that this is the same Rohit Sharma under his captaincy we recently won the T20 World Cup, and now the Indian team is doing very much better in the Champions Trophy, and now a Congress leader is raising questions on his captaincy, on his fitness. We have some people of Lucknow joining us from केडी सिंह बाबू स्टेडियम। कांग्रेस के एक लीडर हैं जो रोहित शर्मा की कैप्टनसी पे सवाल उठा रही हैं, उनकी फिटनेस पे सवाल उठा रही हैं। आप लोग किस तरह से देखते हैं?
सर, वो एक बेस्ट कैप्टन है, उनसे अच्छा कोई कैप्टन भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि स्पिनर को खिलाने का वो फैसला उन्हीं का था, जिससे देखिए कितने विकेट मिले हैं। वो चाहते तो ना भी खिलाते, ऐसा नहीं है। कोई कभी नहीं चला तो इसका मतलब थोड़ी नहीं कि वो खराब है। वो एक मैच में कभी शतक बनाते, कभी नहीं, कभी विराट कोहली चलते, कभी नहीं। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि एक मैच में कोई नहीं चला तो उसको खराब कहा जाएगा। वो बेस्ट हैं, वो सेमीफाइनल भी जीतेंगे और फाइनल भी जीतेंगे।
आपको क्या लगता है कि किसी भी पॉलिटिकल लीडर, चाहे वो कांग्रेस पार्टी के हों, इस तरह से सवाल उठाना रोहित शर्मा की फिटनेस पे, ये ठीक है?
सर, फिटनेस तो खिलाड़ी का एक जीवन का बहुत बड़ा अहम पार्ट है। फिटनेस रहेगी तो सब कुछ हो सकता है, बट उन लोगों से मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा जो कभी खिलाड़ी नहीं रहे, वो खिलाड़ी के बारे और गेम के बारे में क्या जानेंगे। इसलिए इस तरह की आलोचनाएं नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी भी लीडर को। खेल को खेल की भावना से ही खेलना चाहिए।
आपका क्या मानना है?
देखिए, नेताओं को, पॉलिटिशियन को किसने सर्टिफिकेट बांटने के लिए अथॉराइज कर दिया कि वो किसी खिलाड़ी का सर्टिफिकेट देंगे कि वो फिटनेस उसकी सही है कि नहीं सही है? भाई, अभी हाल ही में उन्होंने T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीता है, अपनी इंडिया ने T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीता है साउथ अफ्रीका को हराकर, और अभी भी सेमीफाइनल में पहुंच चुके, हो सकता है फाइनल भी जीत जाए उनकी कैप्टेंसी में। तो अगर उनकी कैप्टेंसी अच्छी चल रही है और रन भी बना रहा है बंदा, अभी सेंचुरी मारी है पिछली बार में, अगर फिटनेस अच्छी ना होती तो सेंचुरी मारना बहुत मुश्किल काम है। हर मैच में परफॉर्म करना बड़ा मुश्किल काम है, और टीम को लीड करना भी बहुत जरूरी है, जो मैं समझता हूं कि सबसे बेहतर तरीके से इस समय लीड कर रहे हैं।
रोहित शर्मा की लीडरशिप पे सवाल उठ रहे हैं। आपको लगता है कि लीडरशिप में कोई कमी है?
पॉलिटिशियन को खेल के बारे में नहीं कहना चाहिए, उसको बोलना चाहिए जो क्रिकेट का एक्सपीरियंस रखता हो, खेल के बारे में जानकारी रखता हो, उसको बोलना चाहिए, और ऐसे किसी के बारे में अनलिगल बात नहीं करना चाहिए।
So see, Pratibha, this is the reaction of the people of Lucknow. They say that a politician who doesn't have any experience of the cricket, now they are lecturing on the captaincy of Rohit Sharma, who has in fact gave us many best performances. He has been scoring centuries, and in his captaincy they are hoping that we are going to win a Champions Trophy also.
Absolutely, and they're doing phenomenally well. To just give out some stats, of the 139 matches that Rohit Sharma has captained, India have won 100 of these matches. But it's not about these stats. It's not about body shaming. It goes beyond that. This is an attack on the idea of India at a time when the entire country is celebrating a Congress leader, Govind, coming out to say that he is very unfit. He needs to lose weight. He's the most unimpressive captain that we have.
Yeah, Pratibha, first let's see the stats of Rohit Sharma, who has in fact scored more than 48 runs per match. In fact, this is what they score. And if we talk about the strike rate of Rohit Sharma, that is also touching 200. And he is the first ever the player in the world who scored 200 in one day, and after that 200 he scores, and he is having centuries. He is having the best performance. Even after that, the questions being raised not by any player, sports person or fitness expert. The questions being raised by a politician, in fact interfering in the sportsmanship of our nation. And you know that Rohit Sharma is a World Cup winning captain. What we react about him, let's directly talk about in fact a few players are just practicing in the ground. We'll ask him कि उनको लगता है कि रोहित शर्मा दुनिया के सबसे अनइम्प्रेसिव कप्तान है अब तक के, और उनका जो परफॉर्मेंस है उस पर भी सवाल खड़े किए, और कैप्टन जो हैं वो अनइम्प्रेसिव है, और उनकी फिटनेस को लेकर सवाल खड़े किए गए हैं। कुछ प्लेयर्स मेरे साथ हैं। आप ये बताइए, नाम बताइए अपना।
कपिल गौर।
कपिल, ये बताइए कि एक कांग्रेस की नेता है, उन्होंने सवाल खड़े किए कि रोहित शर्मा दुनिया के सबसे अनइम्प्रेसिव और अनफिट उनकी हेल्थ को लेके, तो क्या कहेंगे आप?
सर ऐसा नहीं है, वो फिट खिलाड़ी हैं, अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं, हर मैच में 50 या शतक बनाते हैं, अपनी टीम के लिए बेस्ट देते हैं।
अच्छा बच्चों, आप लोग बताइए, रोहित शर्मा को खेलते हुए देखते हैं आप लोग? अच्छा, दूसरा आपको लगता है कि एक पॉलिटिशियन को स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरफेयर करना चाहिए?
नहीं।
अच्छा, so this is exactly what we had reactions with a few players who are still accepting that a politician must not interfere in fact in the sports, and Rohit Sharma is being questionized by one of the politicians of Congress party, which is not acceptable.
Absolutely, because look at the contrast. What would have happened if a cricketer, if it was Rohit Sharma who happened to be commenting, and not about anybody's weight, just about the state of the country? Imagine the kind of outrage that would follow. So Shweta, you know, it goes beyond just the stats of the player. Constructive criticism is welcome, but this is much more than that. This is a party that speaks about Mohabbat ki dukaan, and they say, let's stop politics of hatred. But look at the kind of comments, the wild comments that have come from this Congress leader.
Yes. Like, absolutely. We have a gentleman over here who loves cricket, and he is immensely in love with Rohit Sharma. And so you like the captaincy of Rohit Sharma?
Yes, definitely, sister. I like it. I like him very much.
And in fact, the nation also loves Rohit Sharma as a captain, as a sportsman.
As a captain, as a sportsman. Yeah.
Now, a Congress party says that in their post, this says that Rohit Sharma is not fit. He's a fat sportsman, an unimpressive sportsman, or a captain.
I have no comments about that, please.
But how do you see body shaming such a well-known cricketer?
I cannot comment. Any political comment I cannot give.
Okay, but how do you tell us about Rohit Sharma? What and all do you like in Rohit Sharma?
I like he's a good captain. He's from Mumbai, and he has played a lot. He has grown up like anything. I like. Thank you.
Okay, so somebody who has played well, somebody who has played so well, somebody who has made the entire country proud. Look at the statements being made by the Congress party. That's the sentiment that we're picking up from most people. Shweta, I request you to stay with us. I want to go across to Varshini as well. And Varshini, you know, beyond the stats of Rohit Sharma and the fact that he is a fantastic player who has made the country proud, it's also about the wild politics behind it. You're criticizing somebody and making these statements while the Congress party continues to say that we believe in Mohabbat ki dukaan. Is this the Mohabbat that you're talking about at a time when the entire country is celebrating Team India? Congress leader comes out to attack Rohit Sharma.
Absolutely, yes. If you see, India loves cricket, particularly cricket sports people and cricketers are loved and followed by a lot of people, youngsters, a lot of sports enthusiasts. And right now we are in a government-run playground and a gymnasium where there are a lot of people who are into fitness, into sports, etc. Where most of them that we talk to are fans, die-hard fans of Indian cricketers, particularly Rohit Sharma, who's been leading the country to several victories and bringing so many cups back to the country. So we have some Rohit Sharma fans here. So how big fans Rohit Sharma evlo periya fan and our madri or cricketer India ke evlo important nu neenga nenikringa?
We are big fans of Rohit Sharma and we yet love him. His pull shot and all, and yet we call him hitman, and we would recommend him to just do some exercises to reduce some belly fat like lateral raises, bicycle crunches.
But don't you think speaking like this about a great Indian cricketer is a little bit of insult to the cricketer who's brought so many victories and laurels to India?
I don't think so, because we are just recommending some exercise to him that would help him.
What do you think about these kind of comments, and how much do you love Rohit Sharma?
I love Rohit Sharma so much because in Sri Lanka match he is one of the most unique player to hit 243 runs, and I love Rohit Sharma to do some exercise to avoid some resistance from the
people like this who comment wrongly about him, right?
Yes.
So, the people who love Rohit Sharma also speak about how, these kind of comments are avoidable also if, the more concentration should be on the game and not about the physique or the fitness. Let's try and get in some more words from some fitness enthusiasts here. What do they think about it? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. So, Rohit Sharma, evlo periya cricketer. Okay, so let's try and get in some more words. So, Rohit Sharma pudikuma, how big are you a fan of Rohit Sharma?
Sorry, madam.
Rohit Sharma pudikon. Indian cricket team pati solunga evlo pudikoi cricket. All right, so the response
so
that
a lot
we are
of
getting
fans have spoken about Rohit Sharma and the way that he has played. And again, it's important to say that there is nothing wrong with constructive criticism of Team India, of any of the players. But it goes beyond that. The Congress leader going on to say that he should lose weight. He is fat and his captaincy is unimpressive. This is a party that speaks about being Mohabbat ki dukaan. That raises some serial questions, and of course it will escalate into a big political controversy as well. I thank all my colleagues for joining me on the broadcast with Voices from the Ground, and we're slipping into a quick break here. On that note, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.